Hi, my name is Heidi and I am with freshbenies, and I want to show you our app and some really cool services that you can provide to your employees for a super low cost every month. I think you're going to see why we say that we can save your employees hundreds to thousands of dollars a year on their healthcare with a few of these services. The first one is called telehealth. And with this one, you can call a doctor 24/7 and get a prescription written over the phone if it's medically necessary. Your employees just come here, they read a little bit, they can watch a video, and then they literally shake the phone and they're calling a doctor that fast. And it is, again, 24/7, because we all know kids get sick at 5 o'clock on a Friday. The next one I want to share with you, sometimes you don't need a prescription, sometimes you just need really good advice. And with our Doctors Online service, this is a place where your employees can go to ask questions of specialists instead of going to Google or to Facebook to ask questions. We all know what happens when you Google a symptom. It is not good. So with this one, we're gonna click use this benefit. This is my inbox of all the questions I've asked the doctor over the past couple of months. Your employees can just click this pencil and then click, well, what kind of doctor do you wanna talk to? And see, you can see here, physicians, behavioral health, pharmacists, dental, nutritionists, fitness specialists. They can ask just about anybody any kind of question. They can come here, put in their information, write a little note, and even attach photos of things that they want advice on. We literally just had a member who went and had an endoscopy and was told they needed to go on a 4-item elimination diet, meaning they couldn't eat 4 things. That's a big deal. The doctor said, well, just Google elimination diet and you'll learn all about it. He was able to come back to Doctors Online. He not only asked the physician if that physician thought that it was the right diagnosis, but then he was able to ask a nutritionist who told them exactly how to handle an elimination diet. So it was really, really helpful. And that's kind of the real life way that these services help. All right, so let's talk about our third service. This one's called Advocacy. So we all know that the healthcare system is super confusing for our employees and for Americans in general, and just navigating it is really tough. So this service helps in 3 different ways. Your employees are assigned a personal health pro, and that health pro can help them find a provider. So you need a new pediatrician, a new dentist, whatever it is. Are they in your network? Are they highly rated? All those kind of things. That's what the health pro will go to work to do. The second thing is price transparency, meaning if I needed an MRI, I could go to my health pro and say I need an MRI and I'm in this city and I have this insurance or I don't have insurance. And that health pro would say, well, if you go on this corner, it's $300. If you go to this imaging center on this corner, it's $3,000. So that's the second thing. And the third thing is they can help negotiate medical bills on behalf of your employees. They know how medical billing works, and we all know when the medical bills start rolling in, it's like, oh my gosh. We can send our medical bills, your employees can send them directly to their health pro. Their health pro will make sure they're accurate, first of all, and also negotiate on behalf of your employee to make sure that everything's right with the insurance company and with the provider, maybe too. So that is the third service. And then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the savings network. So we have savings networks for prescriptions, for dental, for vision, chiropractic, you name it. All these blue ones are just different savings networks. So let's just look at prescriptions real quick. I can come in here and put in my prescription, put in my drug name and all of that. And I've done it here to save us a little bit of time. But on this day, I put in pantoprazole, and with pantoprazole, at this pharmacy, it's $10.98. If I had just walked into the other pharmacy right down the street, this is, I think, a 5-mile radius. This is all 0 miles from my house. That would have been 4 times as much. So you can see how this could save a lot of money, and we don't even know that there's that big of a difference. It's not just prescriptions. With dental and vision, you can come here and it will load in all those different providers that are out there for vision, for dental, all kinds of different things. You can filter it. It'll show you all the different savings networks there. And then, very simply, just come over here, load up your card in your app, you show this to the provider, whether it's dental, vision, chiro, and just say, hey, I'm on this program, and they will calculate the discount for you, and your employee pays the lower price, which is great. And here's one other last thing I want to show you inside the app. In the profile, your employees have the ability to save all of their insurance cards if they have insurance, so health insurance, dental, and any type of thing, and then it's all in one nice little spot. Gotta love that. So one last thing I will tell you is we have a full member engagement system that helps your employees understand, how do I use these services, when do I use these services, how are they helpful, and we go to work really to help them understand how they can control their dime, time, and peace of mind with their family's healthcare. So thank you so much for stopping by today. Hope that was helpful. Have a good one.